Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am a student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I watched a TEDx talk by Adil Hashim. The name of the talk is The Power of Dream and Curiosity. I like this talk very much. In this talk, I learned that dreams are important. Every person has dream. Some people want to be a teacher. Some people want to be a doctor. Some people want to be an engineer. Some people want to be a good student. Dream help us think about our future. If we have a dream, we can work for it. I also learned that we should learn new things every day. We should ask questions. We should read books. We should listen to teacher. We should learn from our parents. When we learn new things, we become better. Learning is good for everyone. Adil Hashim said that we should keep learning. We should not stop learning. We should try again and again. Something we make mistake. That is okay. We can learn from our mistake. We should work hard every day. Hard work can help us reach our goals. We should believe in our less. We should think good things. We should help other people. We should be kind of everyone. This talk gave me a good lesson. The lesson is simple. Uh, Inshallah, I will come again. Until the take care of yourself, keep learning and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.